of my colleagues, the past chairman of the body of benchers, to speak on behalf of that group. We are very happy, and we want to commend the current chairman, who in a few days' time will join us and will become my junior in that body. Asiwaju Solomon Adegboyega Awomolo. The current chairman is a man who believes in continuity. He made sure that whatever programs the past chairman had put in place were sustained and energized, for which I thank you. However, he did not stop there. He has brought this innovative program of an annual lecture, which has a lot of gains, not only for the body of benchers, the legal profession, bench and bar, but for our general society. The annual lecture has not come alone. It has come with the directions from the Legal Practitioners Disciplinary Committee. And so this is a learning process for all of us, from which we will be deeply enriched and from which our society will go forth. We are not unmindful of the changing times and the challenges that is accosting our nation at this point in time. Hence, while we judge all today, we need to go to the Almighty God. Fortunately, the Muslims and Christians are fasting. It means the Almighty God has ensured that invocations to him are open and resounding. Therefore, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, let us work as one for the good of our nation. Thank you.